Save that one for later.
What happened?
Here, smell this.
Huh? No, that's awful. That's awful.
Ooh.
Yeah, we gotta find people who are still.
Yeah.
Okay, you know what? It ain't even funny. Hey, you guys are jerks. Straight up jerks.
Wait, listen. Just so you know.
You guys are jerks. You're nasty. Oh my God, that was good. Here, go around to that.
Good, I'm glad to hear that.
You all should do that to somebody.
Okay. Excuse me.
Right in my ear like this.
Oh, no way.
Oh, baby, look.
I heard her around the corner. As soon as she went around the corner, she goes, he still could have said my bad or something.
I don't know. So that's something else.
Can I please have toys to your service desk for your go back, please? Once again, can we please have maintenance to the service desk?
Yes.
I bought the Pooter.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. But
You need
it's
some
so hard
tips.
It's so hard to. I could never get it to that.
Let's do it right now.
Show me.
Okay, let me see. Pooter wax really helps.
Oh, that's what it is.
It helps because it sticks to your skin better, and then it makes like a deeper tone. Let me see your hand. Okay, so you want to seal the hole airtight. See how you get it like that? See how your fingers are coming down like this with the tips? Don't do that. Find a good spot, you seal it, and then you push with the backs of your hands.
That's so hard.
Right?
Oh,
See?
that's
There you go. You're starting to get it, my man. Thank you guys so much.
man.
Hey, God bless you.
All right.
Happy holidays.
Little one. They left.
Did you burp?
No,
Was him?
I think so. Did someone burped?
Just like, we're not at the bar, man.
I know, it's Walmart, right?
Only here.
I know, right?